In the summer, I love going to the Lake District. It's one of my favourite places. Usually, I am lucky enough to go with students doing Gold DV at the end of the school year. I'm going to tell you something that happened last year when we went. Something that actually happened, totally not making this up whatsoever. I was enjoying a swim in one of the smaller lakes, one of the tarns. Obviously a safe swim because it's quite dangerous, but I was taking all safety precautions. This tarn had a perfectly straight edge here, and I'd left my sandwiches on the shore over here. I was along the shore 100 metres away from my sandwiches and 50 metres in. I've drawn this line here, like there was a rocky bit here, but this bit here was walkable or runnable. Now, as I was swimming over here, I spotted another one of the teachers, I'm not going to say whom, another one of the teachers going at my sandwiches. And obviously, not okay, I was pretty hungry after my swim. And I needed to get back and get them off my sandwiches. Now I know that I can swim at 1 metre per second. And I can run at 4 metres per second. So how long would it take me to follow this route to get that so-and-so off my sandwiches? Maybe pause the video now and just have a go at that. Okay, I'm going to do this. It shouldn't be too hard. 50 metres at 1 metres per second. Well, that's going to be time is that divided by that. So that's going to be 50 metres divided by that. And then along the shore, it'll be 100 divided by that. So that's 50 add 25. I can do that in my head. That's that many seconds. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Alright. So that's one route that I could take to get back to my sandwiches. But it might be quicker to take a different route. Suppose I angled myself that way a little bit. That would be shorter. Well, the shortest route would be going directly to it, a straight line. But let's say I go over here, because I'm thinking, although that would be the shortest route, I run a lot quicker. So maybe I want to travel at 30 degrees that way in order to get to the land slightly quicker, so it's a shorter distance but I'm still on the land. Would that be quicker to swim this distance at 1 metres per second and then to run this distance at 4 metres per second? Overall, what is the quickest route that I can take? What angle here leads to the quickest route back to my sandwiches, and how long would that take? A couple of assumptions here. This tarn was perfectly straight, and we'll assume that this bit here to get onto the land is 1 metres per second as well, so it is just a triangle, and I can't do anything to like shout at the person at my sandwiches. I've got to actually get right to them and maybe tackle them. They are ravenous. Have a go at that yourself, play with some different angles and see if you can find my quickest route back to my sandwiches.